So we're getting ready to put the door on. Looks really sharp. This is the bottom right here. And I already attached the hinges to the door itself, which is really easy to do because you can hold them right in and then screw them in. I did it by hand just to, it's not that hard, and that way I can get them just the way I want them. So now here's one thing that I wanted to point out, and that is when you get your door, it's easier to put it on when it's laying down like this. So I get it where I would like it, and I want this straight across here, which it may not be yet, I'm not sure. But the thing I wanted to point out was if I screw it, and when you drill these, you want to pre-drill them, and you want to hit the center of that hole. But here's the thing, the way these hinges are made, they're made to keep the door closed. So watch, when I press this down, you see how the door goes in? That makes a difference. So that could throw you off. For example, if I screwed this one in and then did those, not holding down, my door would be crooked. Or maybe I want it over a little bit. So when you push it down, like right here, I want it over this way a little bit. So make sure you're getting it correct when it's pressed down. Then do it. Then pre-drill it and screw it in. So I just wanted to point that out. It does move the door, and I've made some mistakes. I didn't account for that at times. And it's once you drill a hole, the problem is there's not much space there. You can't re-drill it because it's going to want to go in the original hole. So it's very important to get that in the center and get it where you would like it. The only other trick I do is I'll do one here and then one up there. And then if I don't like the way it is, I'll loosen one of them up, do the other end of it. Problem is that gives this a little bit of a twist, but that's better than having the door crooked. So that's the other thing you can do is do one on each one and then tweak it a little bit to get the other one in. Okay, so that's the door. I also brought the top in. So this is the original end table, the legs. And to be honest, when I did these tops, I put so much work into the top, and then the legs, I kind of at the time just wanted something kind of freestyle, and they fit, they're cool. It's a kind of a star design, 4 screws holding it into the top. And then I have a screw up here holding these together. They're really dusty. It's not super strong. There's some flex here. These joints are glued right here. So they're like a half lap and glued. And in some cases, I thought I had put screws in here, but I did not. So honestly, I guess this is the only one I screwed. Oh, I know, it's probably covered up. Probably this is holding in. There's a screw here, 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 or from here over. And then the last one is in this way. So that's how it is. There's probably 4 screws holding this. Pretty cool idea I had. So I'm going to take it off the top, and then we're going to see how it fits on, but you can see it's a beautiful top. Okay, so I'm running low on battery, so I'm going to get working, and I'll probably do one more video when it's all in place, or all together.